What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we're checking out the minimal case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. They also make this for the Note 10 Plus as well, and a myriad of other devices. So I've checked it out for the OnePlus 7 Pro, Pixel 3a, XL as well. So you can check out those videos here. So this can be picked up on Amazon for about 24 bucks. It's a minimal case that will offer just scratch protection without adding any sort of bulk to your phone whatsoever. So we have the matte black color option here today. They have it in frosted white, frosted black, and a couple other colors as well. You get a microfiber cloth, minimal case sticker. You have minimal packaging with some instructions on how to install it, and then for your next purchase on minimalcase.com, a minimal 20 coupon code. Let's take a look at the matte black case itself. You have, this is pretty much paper thin, like how easy this is to bend, to fold. So this is going to only be scratch protection, so keep that in mind. Don't get this case in the hopes that it's going to drop. It's going to protect your phone from a 3-4 foot drop. But you have cutouts for your mics, cutouts for your volume and your power button, your cutout for your camera and sensors. So this does have a small, the smallest little lip here, as you can see, for the camera, your S Pen cutout, your USB-C port, and your bottom firing speaker. So you are going to want to just make sure you wipe your phone off real quick of any sort of dirt and grime. That way it's not pressed against your phone and the case itself. So this is super slick. This is not so much in the sense, it is pretty slick in terms of the material, the matte finish of the plastic, but in terms of just the overall look, matte black, MKBHD would be proud with this case. Yeah, so matte black, it goes really nicely with a black phone, or even if you have, let's say, the blue phone, you can see, you'd probably be able to see some of the accent colors poking out, like the S Pen color there, things like that. Your volume buttons would be accessible on the side. The power button is going to be more flush to the case itself, as are the volume buttons is there. And you can see there is that little lip right around the camera cutout. But in terms of swiping in from the left or right on the screen, it feels really nice compared to, let's say, the OnePlus 7 Pro, where it felt pretty sharp. This feels more smooth and integrated with the glass screen. It feels more seamless, if I could say that. So yeah, so this feels good, does not add any sort of bulk to the phone whatsoever. You're not going to get any sort of screen protection at the front. It is pretty much flush with the front glass, so bear that in mind as well. But you're not going to have any sort of issues if you install a tempered glass screen protector or anything like this with this case. If you guys have any questions on the minimal case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you all in the next one.